In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Steam. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just discovering the world of digital entertainment, being able to easily navigate payment options can enhance your experience. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps together. First, ensure you have a Steam account. Head over to Steam's website or open the Steam client on your computer. If you already have an account, simply sign in using your credentials. If not, creating an account is straightforward, just follow the on-screen prompts to register. Now, Steam requires a valid email address to complete this process, so make sure you have access to one. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Steam Store homepage, filled with countless games, new releases, and special offers. Browse through and select the game or item you wish to purchase. After selecting, you'll be led to the games page. Here, you'll find detailed descriptions, pricing information, and system requirements. Take a moment to check this information to ensure compatibility with your system and to confirm it's exactly what you're looking for. With your selection made, click the Add to Cart button. This is the point where you can either continue shopping or proceed to checkout. For the purpose of this guide, let's proceed to checkout. Click on your cart, usually symbolized by a small shopping cart icon, typically at the top right of the page. At the checkout page, you'll see a summary of your purchase. Double-check everything to avoid any unwanted purchases. Once confirmed, you'll need to select your payment method. Among the variety of options available, you'll see PayPal. Click on it. Now, you should be led to a screen where you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal credentials, ensuring that everything is correct to avoid any hiccups. After logging in, you'll see your PayPal balance and linked cards or bank accounts. Choose the payment source you prefer to complete your purchase. Once you've selected, look for the option to confirm the payment. You might see a button that says Continue or Pay Now. Clicking this button will process the transaction. PayPal will securely handle the transfer of funds from your selected source to Steam. After confirming, you'll be redirected back to Steam. You should receive a confirmation of your purchase both on Steam and through an email sent to the address linked to your Steam account. It's always a good idea to keep this email for your records. And there you have it, a seamless purchase using PayPal on Steam. Make sure to launch your game once it's installed and enjoy the new adventures that await. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!